Dodge again raised the bar with the introduction of the 2018 Challenger SRT Demon. The Demon is the fastest muscle car ever, boasting an incredible 840 horsepower and 770 pound-feet of torque from its 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8. Not only does this potent engine provide the vehicle with the highest horsepower of any production car, but it also enables the Demon to go from 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds and to cover the quarter mile in a mere 9.65 seconds, making it the most powerful production car to ever hit either of those marks. At the heart of the new 2018 Challenger SRT Demon is that supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8. You can actually see a working model of one right here. It does share the architecture with the Hellcat V8, but we've upgraded a significant number of critical components for optimal race-ready performance. This modified engine is going to feature a larger 2.7-liter supercharger that generates an impressive 14.5 psi of boost pressure, along with 2 dual-stage fuel pumps, a high-speed valve train, and the largest functional scoop of any production car. This massive induction system is going to feed fresh air into the Demon from 3 different sources. The air grabber hood, driver's side air catcher headlamp, and then an additional air inlet in the wheel liner are going to provide this vehicle with 18% greater airflow over the Hellcat. Since heat is the enemy of speed, Dodge and SRT engineers have teamed up to create an industry-first SRT power chiller. This award-winning feature enables the vehicle to utilize the air conditioning refrigerant to further cool air entering the cylinders in drag mode. And in an effort to maximize the power-to-weight ratio of the Demon, Dodge has removed over 200 pounds from this vehicle. Engineers removed the passenger seat, the rear seat, all but 2 speakers, and a variety of audio insulation in the pursuit of every tenth of a second. Now, if you don't want to race alone in this amazing vehicle, you can add that passenger seat like this vehicle has in it, and the rear seat back in. It'll cost you $1 each. Another awesome addition to the Demon's race arsenal is the Demon crate. You can actually view one right beyond the display here. That Demon crate is going to come personalized to the buyer of the Demon. It'll have their name, the serial number of the vehicle, and the VIN number of the vehicle. Included in that crate are going to be some amazing items to help you really unlock the full power of this vehicle on the drag strip. These front runner tires are going to come in there, as well as a whole slew of tools that are branded with the Demon logo. This is a limited production vehicle. We are making 3,000 in the US, 300 in Canada, and as with all of our SRT vehicles, buyers will receive a pass to attend the Bob Bondurant School of High Performance Racing. I would love to answer any additional questions that you have about this amazing vehicle today. We do appreciate you taking the time out of your day to visit our Dodge display, and we hope that you enjoy all of your time here at the Chicago Auto Show.